In today's video, I'll teach you how to update Facebook app to the latest version. So if you want to update the Facebook app, it is actually very simple. For that, what you have to do is simply go to Play Store or App Store. If you're using the Apple device, go to the App Store. If you're using the Android device, open the Play Store. You can see over here, Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now once you do that, what you have to do is simply search for Facebook. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find this application for Facebook and tap on it. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here you'll be able to find the option for update. What you have to do is tap on it. If you do not see the update option over here, that means your application is already updated. But if you see the update option, tap on it, wait for a while. After you do that, the application will be updated. Now all the bugs of the application will be fixed and you'll be able to access the smoother performance and new features. So like this, you'll be able to update it. So that is how you update Facebook app to the latest version. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.